These two Russian gentlemen were driving their car on a highway and suddenly a military helicopter drove right over them. The intense geomagnetic storm that took place earlier this week gave rise to a spectacular display of auroras in the sky. These colorful and vibrant lights are a natural phenomenon that occur when charged particles from the sun interact with the Earth's magnetic field. This man built an underground eel pit right under his house.
This first eel is the biggest. This is Crunchwrap Supreme. He's definitely the tamest of the eels. He's always the first one out to eat. But yeah, he comes right up, lets me pick him up, lets me mess with him. But yeah, these are all American eels.
This bear was spotted crawling on the ice so it wouldn't break. It is likely that this guy has the longest thumb on Earth. This helicopter pilot has some incredible aim. This is what it looks like when the military is transporting a nuke. After 2 years, a COVID patient experiencing long-term symptoms was able to smell the aroma of coffee for the first time.
It's okay, smell it first. See if you can smell it. Is it, normally would you be able to smell it? Oh.
Is it strong? Yeah.
Like and subscribe for more.